Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen. This is the ID.3 Life Pro Power, finished on a lovely glacier white metallic black roof. It features a 204 PS version of the battery, giving you a range of up to 265 miles. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well, with the approved used benefits which I'll mention at the end of the video, which includes 2 years warranty and much more. At the front you've got adaptive cruise control as well as LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the car you've got your aerodynamic wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors. There is a huge amount of boot space available as well, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. And moving on to the interior, it gives lovely pattern cloth seats with nice fixed points on the outer seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers to charge their devices. At the front of the vehicle you'll benefit from a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. A couple of centre armrests there as well, with plenty of storage down the centre with a couple more USB ports. And alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth. You'll also benefit from the brilliant App Connect system, which will give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. We've also got the ambient lighting pack there as well, with loads of different colours to choose from, as well as these preset light themes that transform the interior while driving at night. And to help with parking, you've got front and rear parking sensors with guidelines and also audible warnings. You get your air conditioning controls here with heated front seats and also a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. You've got the latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times. There's also multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for more dynamic drive. A little bit further down the cabin, got wireless phone charging and a couple more USB ports there as well. This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.